As soon as it's safe to do so, we begin assessing damage and restoring power. For the safety of our crews, bucket trucks can't be used until sustained winds are less than 30 miles per hour. First, we get power back to the emergency services and critical infrastructure. Then we return service to the largest number of customers in the shortest amount of time. While some areas may be restored by simply rerouting power, other areas may have extensive transmission or pole damage that needs to be fixed. If your neighbor has power, but yours is out, the problem could be at your house, on your street, or miles away. We could be in another area repairing equipment to help restore power to your neighborhood. Just know we work in an orderly, deliberate manner, and we are working around the clock to restore power quickly and safely for all of our customers. Remember to stay safe. Visit EnergyStormCenter.com for more information.